The best morning drink for women's health. A gentle ritual for a radiant you. Let's start. When mornings feel heavy. If you're reading this, chances are your mornings haven't felt like a fresh start in a long time. You wake up groggy, your body feels heavy, and your mind is already racing with 100 things to do. Maybe your digestion is off, your skin doesn't glow like it used to, or you feel like you're running on fumes, especially during your period or stressful weeks. You're not alone. Many women silently carry the weight of fatigue, hormonal imbalances, bloating, and mood swings, while still showing up for work, family, and everyone else. But here's something many don't realize. Your morning routine, especially your first drink of the day, can deeply shape how your body and mind feel. What you sip on in the first hour of waking can either work with your body or against it. Let's explore why that is, and discover the best morning drink for women's health that nurtures you from the inside out. Understanding the root cause. Why your body craves a healing morning ritual. Most of us wake up dehydrated with cortisol, the stress hormone, peaking and our digestive systems needing a gentle wake-up call. But instead of nourishment, we often rush for coffee on an empty stomach, which can spike anxiety and stomach acid, sugary teas or juices that mess with blood sugar, skipping hydration altogether because we're in a hurry. For women especially, our bodies are deeply connected to our hormones, and these choices affect our hormonal balance, including estrogen, progesterone, and insulin, gut health, which impacts everything from immunity to mental clarity, skin and hair health, often a reflection of inner wellness, energy and metabolism, which can feel sluggish without the right start. The solution? A morning drink that's simple, natural, and tailored to a woman's unique physiology. Warm lemon water with a pinch of Himalayan salt, a gentle detox. This ancient Ayurvedic tonic is a favorite for a reason. It hydrates, alkalizes, and supports your liver, the key detox organ that's especially important for hormonal balance. Why it works. Lemon stimulates digestive enzymes and supports the liver in flushing out toxins. Himalayan salt adds trace minerals that aid hydration and adrenal function. How to make it? Squeeze half a fresh lemon into a warm, not hot glass of water. Add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Sip slowly first thing in the morning. Bonus tip. Add a dash of turmeric for anti-inflammatory benefits. Fenugreek Water, a hormonal balancer for women. Fenugreek or methi seeds are packed with phytoestrogens that support hormonal health, especially helpful for women facing PCOS, irregular periods, or postmenopause changes. Why it works. Balances estrogen naturally, aids in blood sugar control, supports digestion, and reduces bloating. How to use. Soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, drink the water on an empty stomach. You can chew the seeds or discard them. This drink is especially beneficial during the luteal phase after ovulation, when the body's need for hormonal support increases. Cumin-Coriander-Fennel tea, the digestive healer. This blend is a digestive powerhouse, loved in Ayurvedic traditions. It soothes bloating, supports metabolism, and brings balance to the gut-brain connection, key for mental clarity. Why it works. Cumin helps reduce gas and supports iron absorption. Coriander cools the digestive system. Fennel soothes cramps and aids hormonal harmony. How to prepare. Boil half a teaspoon each of cumin, coriander, and fennel seeds in 2 cups of water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and sip warm. Start your day with this if you're prone to indigestion, gas, or PMS-related bloating. Aloe Vera juice with Amla Beauty plus gut combo. If you're looking for a natural glow-up, this drink is like liquid gold for your skin, hair, and digestion. Why it works. Aloe vera soothes the gut lining, aids in nutrient absorption, and reduces inflammation. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is rich in vitamin C, supporting collagen, immunity, and detoxification. How to consume. Mix 30 milliliters of aloe vera juice with 20 milliliters of amla juice in a glass of water. Drink it on an empty stomach, ideally 20 minutes before breakfast. This combo helps reduce acne, supports regular periods, and gives your skin a radiant boost. Flaxseed Water Omega-3. Love for your hormones. Flax seeds are rich in lignans, compounds that help the body process excess estrogen and regulate hormones. Why it's powerful for women. Supports menstrual health and reduces cramps, promotes regular bowel movements, and gives a plant-based omega-3 boost for heart and brain. How to prepare. Soak 1 tablespoon of flax seeds in a glass of water overnight. Stir and drink the gel-like mixture in the morning, or blend it into a smoothie. If you're dealing with mood swings or irregular cycles, flaxseed water may offer surprising relief. Herbal Moon Tea, a hug for your hormones. Sometimes what your body needs is comfort. A warm herbal tea blend can work wonders, especially when you're feeling emotionally or physically off balance. Recommended herbs for women. Red raspberry leaf tones the uterus and eases period pain. Nettle is rich in iron and supports adrenal health. Chamomile calms anxiety and improves sleep quality. How to make steep 1 teaspoon each of your chosen herbs in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Add honey if desired. Sipping this tea during your menstrual phase or high-stress mornings can feel like wrapping your body in warmth and care. Small shifts, big results. These drinks may sound simple, but that's their magic. Healing your body doesn't need to be complicated or expensive. With just one small shift in your morning routine, you can feel lighter and more energetic, reduce hormonal chaos, improve digestion and immunity, get clearer skin and a brighter mood. But consistency is key. Choose one drink that resonates with you and try it for 7 days. Tune into your body. You'll be amazed at what a little morning care can do. You deserve mornings that feel like magic. Dear sister, your wellness isn't a luxury, it's your birthright. You deserve to wake up feeling refreshed, grounded, and ready to face the day with strength and grace. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Just start with one healing sip. Let that first drink of your day be a quiet promise to yourself. I matter. My health matters. My joy matters. Take the first step today. Which morning drink will you try first? Let us know in the comments or share your own go-to wellness ritual. And if this guide helped you, share it with a sister, a friend, a mother, because every woman deserves to feel whole. You're not alone on this journey. At Glownest, we're walking with you every step of the way. New viewers, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.